How to fix the issue of Microsoft Authenticator app not working. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So if you're facing the issue of your Microsoft Authenticator app is not working, you're at the right place because I'm going to show you some steps by which you can remove it. So once you click on your Microsoft Authenticator app on your new phone, you'll be able to see that you might be facing problems with this. So what you're going to do is just click on this plus icon at the top right, and then what you're going to do is select any of your accounts. So this issue might come if you are using a new phone and you need to sync your Microsoft Authenticator with your Microsoft Authenticator on the previous phone. So for that, you can just click on personal account over here, and then you can either scan with a QR code. So by clicking on scan QR code, you need to open the Microsoft Authenticator on your previous device and open the QR code over there and then scan the QR code from here. So what it would do is that it will take all of the data and sync from the previous Microsoft Authenticator app. And then what you can do is that you can continue using your Microsoft Authenticator just like you used to use it on the previous phone. So, and the other way is signing in the Microsoft. So here you need to sign in with the same Microsoft account that you used to sign in with the previous phone. So these are the two methods by which you can fix the issue of Microsoft Authenticator app not working. And the other issue might be the application itself. So what you got to do for that is head over to the App Store. And here, go to the search bar and search for Microsoft Authenticator. So this is the application you're looking for. So make sure that the application is updated. And if it is updated, you'll be able to see open over here. But if not, then you'll be able to see an update button over here. So update the application and your issue must be resolved after that. So these were some ways by which you can fix the issue of Microsoft Authenticator not working. If you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.